Everybody's been using human crochet hair for miracle knots, but here is a way that you can switch it up and get more use out of the hair. Hey y'all, I'm Kinky. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this human crochet hair from ISEE Hair. And this hair is super popular right now. A lot of people are using it for the miracle knots. So I wanted to show you guys another way that you can use the hair. So starting off, I just have my hair braided down in the back and I did a little design in the front. And to install the hair, I'm just using my crochet hook and just pulling it underneath my braids. And the cool thing about this hair is that it comes pre-looped, so it makes it super easy to install. It's good for beginners and it's perfect for a nice protective style. And for more of a breakdown of the process, I'm just going to take the crochet needle, stick it underneath my braid, and then I looped on the pre-looped crochet hair, closed off the hook, and then pulled it through. Next, I'm going to make a loop with the hair and just pull the other side through, tighten it, and there she is. So it's a really easy process. I love doing crochet installs. Like I said, they're easy, they're a nice protective style, and they always turn out super cute. And this hair is in the texture deep wave. I did just go ahead and wash it and condition it before installing it. And a little goes a long way with this hair. I ended up using 3 packs for this look, and the hair is soft, it's nice quality, and it turned out full. And the really good thing about this hair is that it is reusable. So after I finish with the crochet install and I'm done wearing my hair like this, I can easily just take it right back out. And that's why I really feel like this is a good follow-up to doing miracle knots, because a lot of people are using this hair to do miracle knots and then you kind of just don't have anything else to do with the hair. But this is something that you can do. There are lots of cute things that you can do with crochet hair, so yes girl, I love it. So I'm just going to finish installing the hair and then I will jump back in when it's time to start styling it. So now I'm all done installing the hair and I'm just styling it using some foaming mousse. I just put it all over the hair. I did some finger coils and now I'm just working on the front. I did like a cute little rubber band style, and now I'm just putting my hair in bantu knots. And this is the finished look, and I love how this turned out. It is super cute and it was super easy to do. I love that the hair came pre-looped, so it was nice and easy to install. Perfect for beginners. And again, this is a really cute way to get more use out of your Miracle Knots hair. This hair is soft, full, and such a pretty texture. And again, it is from ISEE Hair. This is their human crochet hair. I used 3 packs to get this look, and I love how it turned out. I'll have all of the information for this hair down in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.